every day. Thank you, President, for your kindness and love. Thank you, teachers, for your wisdom, patience, and caring. Thank you, uncles and aunties, for taking care of us. We know we have not always been little angels. Please forgive us. Thank you for teaching us, but we are naughty. We will miss you all. We will remember all the good times we have had together. Take care and goodbye. Take care and goodbye.
Alright, let's give Lily Class a big hand. 请为我们百合班的小朋友掌声。接下来，我们请向日葵班的小朋友往前一步 ，switch。